It's a 2015 Cadillac ATS Coupe. A fiercely spirited performer with style to spare, this ATS Coupe is anything but ordinary. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated leather sport bucket front seats, Wi-Fi hotspot, active grille shutters, automatic transmission, sport suspension, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, rear wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com points out the balance the ATS exhibits comes via a 50-50 weight distribution and well-tuned standard FE2 suspension, including Cadillac's first ever 5-link independent rear setup. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.